What to do if you're caught driving in severe weather. Driving during severe weather is scary, but there are some things you can do to up your chances of getting where you're going safely. Don't drive in severe weather. This may seem glib, but so many dangerous driving situations could be avoided if people took weather alerts seriously. Meteorological technology is so good that we often get a lot of warning before a severe thunderstorm, hailstorm, tornado, or potential flooding situation. But if you can avoid driving in severe weather, stay home. Driving through heavy rain is dangerous for several reasons. Visibility is low, the road is slippery, and the drivers around you might not know how to drive safely in those conditions. According to the CDC, if you find yourself driving in heavy rain, make sure your lights are on, slow way down, and leave plenty of following distance. If the rain becomes so heavy that you can't see the cars in front of you or the road signs, put your hazards lights on and pull to the side of the road to wait for conditions to improve. Here are the top 6 do's and don'ts of driving in the rain. Roads can flood quickly and can remain dangerously flooded even after a storm has passed. If you find yourself in rising floodwaters, the National Weather Service advises that you should leave your vehicle if you can and get to higher ground before the vehicle is swept away. Thunderstorms present a bunch of potential dangers to a driver, including high winds, heavy rain, flooding, lightning, and even hail. If it's at all possible to wait for the storm to pass before driving, that's your safest bet. If driving through a thunderstorm can't be avoided, here's what they advise. Avoid bridges, which have a higher chance of collapsing during a thunderstorm. If you experience hail, high enough winds to move your car or fling debris, or lose visibility, pull over and put your hazards on to wait out the storm. While cars can conduct electricity, a car is actually a pretty safe place to be during a lightning storm. If you can't get inside during a lightning storm, stay in your car with the windows up and doors closed. Even if your car is struck by lightning, it's unlikely that you would be electrocuted, but a nearby strike can temporarily blind you, creating a dangerous driving situation. If at all possible, wait out a lightning storm at the side of the road. Driving through a tornado. Driving during a tornado is incredibly dangerous. Please, if you get an alert for a tornado warning, stay inside. Don't keep driving. Even an F1 tornado, the weakest classification, has winds strong enough to flip a car that is in motion. Unlike with a thunderstorm, a vehicle is not a good place to shelter during a tornado. Because bridges and tunnels don't have walls, they are actually more dangerous during a tornado than no shelter at all. Want to learn more ways to stay safe in bad weather? Defensive Driving is a great place to get more in-depth tips for driving in severe weather.